In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail labels. If your inbox feels overwhelming, labels are a simple, powerful way to keep things organized. Think of them like folders, but more flexible. An email can have more than one label, so you don't have to choose just one place for it to live. Let's start by creating a label on your computer. Open Gmail in your web browser. On the left sidebar, scroll down until you see the More option, then click it to expand the list. Look for Create New Label, click it, and type a clear name. Something like Work or School works great. Click Create to finish. If your left panel looks collapsed, just click the main menu icon at the top to expand it so you can see all your labels. Now let's add a label to an email. You can open a specific email or stay in your inbox and select one or more messages using the checkboxes. At the top toolbar, click the label icon. It looks like a little tag. You'll see a list of your labels. Tick the one you want and click Apply. The label will appear on that email as a small tag. This doesn't remove it from your inbox. It simply categorizes it. And yes, you can apply multiple labels to the same email for extra clarity. If you want to clean up your inbox by filing messages into a label, use Move To. Select the email, click the folder-shaped Move To icon at the top, and choose the label. This action removes the message from your main inbox view and stores it under that label. Don't worry, you can still find it anytime by visiting the label on the left or by searching. If you change your mind, look for the undo prompt that appears briefly after you move it. To make labels pop visually, you can add colors. On the left menu, hover over a label name and click the three dots that appear. Choose label color, then pick the color you like. Color coding helps you scan your inbox faster and spot important categories at a glance. Finally, to find emails inside a label, simply click the label name on the left side. You'll see every message that belongs to that category. If you don't see your label right away, click More to expand the list. You can also search within that label's view just like you would in your inbox. That's it. Create your labels, apply them, move emails when you want a cleaner inbox, add colors for quick recognition, and open labels to view everything in one place. Happy organizing!